Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening display settings immediately. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. Once done, make sure all monitors are connected and identified so you change the correct screen. Check the current scale and layout value. Write it down if you need to revert. You're setting the stage. Confirming monitor arrangement prevents accidental scaling on the wrong display. If using a laptop with docking, disconnect or reconnect now so Windows reports the correct native resolution and scale. Next, focus on changing the scale value itself. Pick a recommended option from the scale drop-down like 100%, 125%, or 150%. If those don't look right, go to Advanced Scaling Settings and enter a custom percentage between 100 and 500. This is useful for high DPI displays. After selecting, click Apply. Windows may ask you to sign out to finish. Signing out forces apps to reinitialize with new scaling, so text and UI elements render correctly. Finally, sign back in and inspect apps and system UI. Make sure text is readable and controls aren't clipped. If some apps appear blurry, reset custom scaling to 100% and reapply recommended settings, because legacy apps can render poorly with non-integer scales. If resolution looks off, open Display Adapter Properties and ensure the monitor's native resolution is set. One key troubleshooting tip: if scaling breaks layout, revert to the value you noted earlier and reboot. That usually restores a stable baseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.